Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to avoid highways for scenic routes on Google Maps. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go open Google Maps, choose your destination. For example, I will choose this destination. After that, click on directions. And on directions, as you can see on the top of the screen near to your location or the departure location that you will choose, there is 3 points. Click on them and after that click on options. And here, as you can see, the second option is avoid highways. So you have just to click on it to activate it, and like that you will avoid highways on Google Maps. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you